Is there a display that's bigger and better than a TV? Absolutely. This is the EA640F2 indoor front surface LED display, specially designed for indoor applications. It's got a lightweight design, crystal clear visuals, and easy maintenance. EA640F2 indoor front surface LED display weighs only 7.5 kilograms, so it's really light. And at only 60mm C, it's perfect for indoor installation. Plus, the splicing is seamless, the internal cabling is simple, and the rack fits together perfectly. The whole thing is front maintenance, which means you can easily maintain the LED modules, the power supply, and the receiver card all from the front. And the modules have a magnetic design, so even if you're a beginner, you can assemble and maintain them without any trouble. Also, the rack has a 4:3 aspect ratio, so it's specially designed for all kinds of large screens. I'm Loyal. Bye bye!